Now, the exam objectives say that we need to be able to install a motherboard. I would agree with that as being a useful real life, type of situation. If you're building a PC, obviously you have to build it from scratch. If you are troubleshooting, you may need to or be called upon to replace a motherboard. Less common, but it really depends on your role. So as I said, you have to match the motherboard with the chassis. There will be holes on the motherboard. There will also be holes on the chassis. Sometimes the chassis itself will have a legend that tells you, okay, for ATX use this, for micro ATX use these. You can really just line it up so that those screw holes match. They're in the same place. Okay, and then you want to screw down, but don't over tighten. Most of them will have risers or just a natural rise so that the bottom of the motherboard is not in contact with the chassis. So we line them all up, put in the screws, just briefly tighten, so you get them, make sure they're all straight, and then tighten them down. But we definitely don't need to torque this. Once it's attached to the chassis, then you just connect your various cables. Okay, power cables, speakers. There's a speaker in the chassis that has to actually be connected. It's to the motherboard. If you've got an integrated sound card on older systems with an external sound card, you'd have to plug it into that card. And then you've got those headers or the front panel, so USB, memory cards, LED lights, fans, case fans, etc. Anything that needs power needs to be plugged into the motherboard or have the power supply directly plugged into it.